Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Pineapple upside down cinnamon rolls, guys. Take one. These sounded so good. Billy showed me a video of them. I was like, well, we gotta try those. 4 ingredients besides what's in your cinnamon rolls. So I'm using the large muffin pans. So prepare your pan, butter, oil, spray, whatever you do. So then you're going to take one of your pineapple rings, drop it down in there. And there we go. We're going to do 4 in each one because a can is 4 cinnamon rolls. So there's that. And then you're going to put in a cherry on the inside if you want. If you don't like them, you don't have to. I never did use a cherry in my pineapple upside down cake because I don't like cherries very well. So,
Not even chocolate covered?
I like the coatings and stuff. I like the juice it gives off. But I'll eat the outside of it and then you can have the cherry part. How's that? We drop that in there, make them pretty. And in my pineapple upside down cake, I like to use crushed pineapple. That way you get pineapple in every bite.
You could probably do that on this.
Yeah. All right. So the pineapple, a can of pineapple has 10 rings in it. So then you're going to put in some brown sugar. Sprinkle some on there. Might have to put a little bit more. But
I was gonna say you could never have enough of that.
Oh, dang, I don't have any in that one.
How come you didn't put one in it?
Because I got 4 in each.
Oh.
I evened them out. You know, because sometimes you get OCD like that.
I'll plead the 5th.
All right, after that, I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I got these cinnamon rolls. They're just Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. There's 8 in here. And it comes in a 2-pack, so we'll see. I'm taking these, I had therapy today for my knee, so I'm taking these to the therapy people down there. Woo! All right, so we're going to put the cinnamon part towards that. And we're just going to drop these right down in there.
Just like that, huh?
Just like that. Easy peasy, guys. That's all we'd like to do here. There and there. I'm putting them in my oven, 350 degree oven for 12, 13, we'll see, minutes. I'll let you know. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, got them out of the oven. They was in my oven for 15 minutes, 350 degrees. These ones are still in the pan. I wanted you to see what they look like before I flip them. And then these I flipped while they were hot. Some of the juice came out, so I was leaving those set to maybe cool a little bit before I flipped them. So we are going to do a taste test, and they are still hot. I don't mean to be mean with my fork, but we're talking pineapples here. So that's what it looks like. And if you want, oops, you can use the icing that came with it. You can drizzle some of that on there. It's still hot, so, and it's not pourable, but we're just going to put a little bit on there. And that takes away from all the prettiness, though, but let's see what we got.
How can it be bad? I mean,
Right, cinnamon rolls, get off there. And pineapple and icing, yum. Trying to get in there, get some of that. These are delicious. And guys, so easy and quick. And, you know, if you don't have the cherries, don't put them on there. Simple. You can make this real fast for a Saturday breakfast or something. Or dessert in the evening.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm going for another bite. So good. Now, like I said, I'm giving the rest of them away. So, and Billy don't even want to try them because he's still cutting back. Wish I had that willpower.
They smell awfully good.
If I didn't have the channel, I might. But, you know, I make the stuff. We gotta taste it. You guys want to see what it tastes like. And if it doesn't taste good, it's like, it's good, but not delicious.
Oh, I can guarantee that'd be good.
It's delicious. All right, guys. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, hype, do all the things. And we appreciate each and every one of you. And stay tuned for some more videos this week. Since I'm feeling better, we can get up and moving around and do some more.
And thank you for all your prayers.
All the prayers, all the cards, all the everything. We appreciate everybody.
You've had a bunch of them reach out to you, and so.
Yep, we got a great community on here.
We
Come
sure
on and
do.
join us.
We have a lot of fun here.
All right, guys. Biker Baker and Mr. Smith, peacing out, and have a great day.